Hey everyone, today I am up on a ladder trying to fix my outdoor light here. I apologize, it's very windy today, but the light stopped working, so I figured it was probably the bulb or the ballast, and I was just gonna pull out the ballast and put in a LED bulb, and I think I'm still gonna do that, but when I opened this up I found the one connection completely charred and the other lead on its way. There were a couple of old wasp nests in here. I have a feeling that these wires just got tucked up too close to the transformer and they cooked themselves. So I'm gonna fix this mess, and I'm not gonna show it on video because it's again too windy and I can't hold the camera and do the work. So and it's kind of annoying, I couldn't get the lens off, so it's just kind of dangling here in the wind. So let me take care of this and I'll be back. Alright, so I ended up just taking the whole light down. I just had to unbolt these two bolts here, and you can see it is full of wasp nests. That transformer looks like it's cooked. So I'm going to see if this is salvageable. Alright, so I got the transformer out. It is extremely toasty. This here is a ballast, but none of this is needed for an LED light. Basically, you have, going to the photocell, you have the neutral. This is the black's power going in, and the red is power coming out. So the red will connect to the black on the light socket, and the white will, all the whites get tied together. And I trimmed back all these connections to make new fresh connections, and then I went and looked inside here, and I don't know if you can see that, but that center terminal is pretty corroded looking. It probably would work, but if I'm doing all this, might as well replace that socket. It's not that hard to replace that socket, but if I'm doing all that, I'm starting to wonder if it's even worth trying to salvage this light at all. I might just buy a new unit. I'll have to price them out. So I think that'll be the end of this video. I will have to fix this or get a new light and come back with to install it. Just a bit of an update on the security light. I did end up deciding to replace it with a new unit, and I went with a Halo branded LED light, and I'll show you what the box looks like one moment. So here's a picture of the box and what the light looks like, and one of the reasons I decided to replace it is because I got these on sale for $40 through Amazon. It was a Amazon refurbished, and these were regularly $80, I think. And in theory, I shouldn't have to replace the bulb for, according to the box, 16 years. And this is a good brand, so I figure it should be good for at least 10, hopefully. So one of the reasons I decided to replace it is because I didn't want any more wasp nests being built inside. And this new unit, it's pretty sealed, so you can't get any wasps in there. And I'll show you the old unit in one moment. So here's the old unit in the basement. I'll flip this over in a second. I did put an LED bulb in. I did replace the socket. So I have this as a spare to play with. yes. But I hooked it up to my temporary power, and it's nice and bright with that bulb in there. So let me unplug my tester and disconnect these. So that is the bulb that I stuck in there. It's called a corn lamp. There's the new socket. What the bulb looks like. But as far as the wasps and bees, the lamp clamps on here, but then there's that, and then you have the pipe that comes into about here, but then you have this huge gap, and this whole top area that used to be for the transformer is a spot. And yeah, I could have filled that in with spray foam, but that also then kind of limits the ability to service the unit. So yeah, it's an older unit, and also it kind of rattled in the wind. Let's see, I think some of that's the wires rattling. Yeah, this plastic lens would rattle in the wind, so it is time for an upgrade, and I guess that's the end of this video. If I remember and get a chance later, I will take a video at night of the new light to show how bright it is. It's pretty bright. It's about as bright as this unit used to be, and I mean realistically probably be about as bright as with the corn bulb. You can put any bulb you want in this thing. Alright, just doing a quick video to show you the light on at night. It's still dusk, but as you can see, it's plenty bright for the driveway. Lights up the corner of the house pretty nicely. So that'll do it. So thanks for watching, everyone.